People are often mocked down because of their accent. But those who mock them, do they really know the phenomena behind the accent? So let me educate them. I am a linguist and a language and literature teacher by profession. So what is coming from me is not empty. So why do people in the first place have an accent? When someone speaks more than one language, it is common for the way they speak one language to be influenced by the other. Let's say a person grows up speaking Urdu and later learns English. Even if they speak English well, they might still say certain words in a way that sounds different from a native English speaker. That's because their mouth, their tongue, and brain are used to the sounds and speech patterns of Urdu. These habits naturally show up when they speak English. This happens because our first language shapes the way we pronounce words. The sounds we grow up using become our default setting. So when we learn a new language, it is hard to change those settings completely. That is why many bilingual people speak the second language with an accent. Also, some sounds just don't exist in every language. For example, English has th sound, like in thing, but many other languages don't. So speaker of those languages might replace it with a duh or s sound. It's not wrong. It is just how our brain makes sense of new sounds using what we already know. Age also plays a role. People who learn a new language as children are more likely to sound like native speakers. But if they learn it as adults, it is harder to change the way they speak, and the accent usually stays. Sometimes people even keep their accent on purpose. It can be a part of who they are and where they come from. An accent can carry identity, culture, and pride. So, in very simple words, bilingual people often have an accent because their first language leaves a strong mark on how they speak the second one. It's normal, it's human, and it's a sign that their brain is working across two different languages at once. So, our English, the language of the Pakistani people, it is not a substandard English, it is subcontinental English.